Well, I'm down at Teeside again, and somehow I've been roped into helping strip again. Nice view though, isn't it? It's 11:30 now. We're just stopping for a quick bait. I'm just going to work through so we don't stay down here till stupid o'clock. It's just two of us down here. One lad's on the sick from another job, so the guy who's doing this job is covering him, and I'm helping strip this. So I'm tucking into tuna salad. Get me holiday board ready. Job done. Not gonna lie, I'm hurting. Let's see if I can get a sneaky reverse here. My worry on this site is nails in my tyres. There's the rain. 5 mile an hour hazards on when you're in this place. Not like to check your loader out, like we've had a lot of gear go missing from here, like. Maxed out 8 ton on the back. The lad I've been working with there just gives a bag of crisps called Spicy Bikers. Sounds a bit like a dodgy pub, doesn't it? But why? Lovely. They're like Monster Munch, but spicy, in the shape of wheels. There we go. Homeward bound via the yard. 4 o'clock. Chucking out time like. when I came up here this morning, there was a bloke pushing his scooter. Here's another one. It's not the same guy though. He was pushing the scooter on this road. God knows where. Probably a petrol station. What a nightmare. I liking these crisps. I like it a lot. I'd let it run. It's some weird kind of beauty to the ugliness of this place, isn't it?